the students have to stand up and say a sentence they've written, and other students have to guess whether it's true or false. They were in groups, and they all individually had to write 2 sentences about their holiday. They had to write one true and one false sentence about their holiday. I did, I went to, I played, I studied. So that was the point, just getting them to make sentences. Then the fun part is one by one in the group. So say there's 5 members, they stand up, and one person stands up from the group and reads one sentence, and then turn by turn the other groups guess T or F, basically. And then I write down T or F per group what they guess, and then I go back to the student and I say, did you play baseball? Or did you go to Mount Fuji? The student says, yes I did, no I didn't. And whoever guessed correctly whether he was telling the truth or lying gets 1 point for their group.
So what happened in the room that demonstrated to you that it was a successful activity?
Basically, kids who usually do nothing or who are terrified to talk were standing up and speaking, and they all participated in writing sentences as well, which can be quite difficult, of course. And basically on every level, the writing, everybody wrote their sentences well, and everyone actually ended up standing and talking, especially kids who usually wouldn't. So kids like lying is the message to this story.